A little bit of a treat in store for you guys today. So if you guys watched a recent video we did, this is Ron's RS3. We did a feature film on this car about a month ago now. And we are here because we're going to be doing some fun bolt-on shenanigans with this thing today here at the house. And I'm sure Ron will be very excited to show you guys what he's got. Hello.
Hi.
I'm glad we have this extra door open for you. So, last time you guys saw this car, we did a feature film on it. It's a stage 1 E85 car from 034. It's a really solid setup. Huh?
So my sensors are freaking out.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Oh, because of the walls? So, what do we got for these guys today, boy? What shenanigans do we have in store today?
AWE Switchpath.
But you're excited.
Oh yeah, I've been wanting this exhaust since I've gotten the car.
I think this was another Cam and Alfred thing, wasn't it?
Yeah. I wanted like my setup to be exactly like his.
Just
as far as the sound and stuff.
Yeah. So this thing is stock exhaust with a Res X delete, but now that's going to change because it's going to be this thing.
Woo, copyright.
And demonetized. I'm just kidding. But Ron's got this AW Switchpath. We're going to try to get this done relatively quickly because tonight we're going to go help Kason get his Mark 6 from Eurofed. But yeah, this should be relatively painless. I mean,
Hopefully.
have you looked into the install at all?
Yeah.
Is it going to be nightmarish?
It's a bolt on.
Should be pretty easy.
Yeah. Me and my dad had to squish the box in order to get it in here. That's why the box looked perfect when we got it. But he got on it and started stepping on it.
You're like, hey!
Yeah, so we could get it in here. But he's like, it's fine. I'm like, okay.
But I'm not going to say this is going to be like a full in-depth install video. We're going to try to cover as much as we can of it today, but this is not going to be like some in-depth install video. 3 hours later.
Let me push it out from here.
Or on. Firmly grasp it. So, we got a party over here now. But we're getting there. We just have a couple of things it looks like left to do. Just got this little pile right here. But, yeah. It's going to sound real good. Yeah, go ahead. There you go. Open.
Open up?
Yeah. Open it back or close it back. Open. That's a huge difference.
It never popped. Still no turbo noise. I heard the turbo noise. You heard it? What's this for the flag?
Demonetized Jordan.
What do you think? I think it's really.
Huh?
That sounds good.
It's a little louder in here, but I bet outside it's way louder.
Oh.
It's so loud. You know, I can get someone to ride with me in my car, and we can get rollers.
That was kind of what I was thinking.
Yeah. That way Tyler can hear mine from the outside. Shit.
Sounds good.
All right.
Doing it. It's doing something, but it's like.
Sounds
Yeah,
like
it's
little DSG farts.
I don't understand.
I would tell him turn that shit up. Be like, hey, whatever you put on here.
Oh, it sounds so good, dude. I know it's loud outside.
Fuck you left his ass.